So here's the car, and we're going to change we already changed the oil filter. We changed the oil pressure sensor. We're going to change the one for the light. We are changing the rotors, the pads, the calipers. We're going to reveal. We already took off the struts. We're going to change the shocks. Transmission went out. We're going to rebuild it. Going to rebuild that. Then what else we got? We're going to remove this guy. I don't know who put this in and what it does, but this is the return line, and should be nothing here but a pipe. Maybe some kind of thing they invented on the 80s, or I'm not sure. We already changed the fuel filter. All the exhaust, all that stuff is fine. We changed the feed line for the fuel pump. We're going to change the self-leveling valves 1 and 2. We're going to change the rear shocks. Also the gas springs that go above the shocks, and we also on top we're going to do tune-up and wires, ignition wires, and distributor cap, rotor, valve cover gaskets. We can see the leak on this side. You see on the starter, it coming from the valve cover. And we're going to change these guys too, these two, and the fan belts.